Hello everyone, welcome to this series on summaries and synopsis of famous works in literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the play Eumenides by Aeschylus. Introduction. The Eumenides is the third and final play in Aeschylus' trilogy, the Oresteia. This trilogy explores themes of justice, revenge, and the evolution of societal order. The play deals with the aftermath of Orestes' matricide, killing of his mother Clytemnestra, and the establishment of a judicial system in Athens to resolve disputes and crimes, making a transition from personal vendetta to structural legal processes. Key character: Orestes, the son of Agamemnon and Clytemnestra. He killed his mother to avenge his father's murder and now is pursued by the Furies. Clytemnestra's ghost haunts the Furies to remind them of their duty to punish Orestes. Apollo, the god who commanded Orestes to kill Clytemnestra and defends him in his trial. Athena, the goddess of wisdom who presides over Orestes' trial and ultimately transforms the Furies. Furies, ancient goddesses of vengeance who relentlessly pursue Orestes for killing his mother. Pythian priestess, priestess of Apollo who is terrified by the sight of Orestes and the Furies. Hermes, the god who guides Orestes to Athens. Plot overview. The play opens with Orestes seeking purification at Apollo's temple in Delphi. Apollo orders him to go to Athens to stand trial, and Hermes guides him there. The ghost of Clytemnestra awakens the Furies, urges them to pursue Orestes. They find him at Athena's temple in Athens. Athena decides to hold a trial with a jury of Athenian citizens to determine Orestes' fate. During the trial, Apollo defends Orestes while the Furies prosecute him. Athena casts the deciding vote in Orestes' favor, acquitting him. To placate the Furies, Athena offers them a revered place in Athens as protectors of justice, transforming them into Eumenides or the kindly ones. Major themes: revenge versus justice. The play contrasts the ancient code of personal vengeance represented by the Furies with the new system of impartial justice symbolized by Athena and the jury trial. The power of the polis. Athens and its democratic legal system are central to the play, highlighting the importance of community and structured justice over individual retribution. The power of the gods. The gods, especially Apollo and Athena, play crucial roles in guiding and resolving human actions, demonstrating their affluence over mortal affairs. Familial bonds. The conflict of loyalties within a family is at the heart of the play, questioning whether Orestes' duty to his father outweighs his crime against his mother. Gender roles. The play reflects ancient Greek views on gender, with male characters and perspectives ultimately prevailing over female ones, even when embodied by divine figures. Important symbols. The Furies represent the old, primitive justice based on blood vengeance. Their transformation into the Eumenides symbolizes the shift to a more civilized and orderly society. Athena's olive branch, a symbol of peace and prosperity, representing Athena's offer to the Furies and the harmony she brings to Athens. The jury symbolizes the birth of a legal system that relies on collective judgment rather than individual vendetta. The role of the chorus. In the Eumenides, the chorus is made up of the Furies, whose role evolves throughout the play. Initially, they represent relentless vengeance and the old ways of justice. However, by the end of the play, they are transformed into Eumenides, embodying a protective and nurturing role within the Athenian justice system. This transformation underscores the play's theme of societal progress from barbarism to civilization. Conclusion and legacy. The Eumenides concludes Aeschylus' Oresteia trilogy by resolving the cycle of blood vengeance that has plagued Orestes' family. Through the establishment of a judicial system in Athens, the play celebrates the value of justice from personal retribution to institutionalized legal processes. The transformation of the Furies into the Eumenides symbolizes the societal shift towards rationality and order. The play's themes and its depiction of the birth of the rule of law have had a lasting impact on literature and legal philosophy, cementing its place as a cornerstone of Western drama and thought. So this was the discussion on the play The Eumenides by Aeschylus. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.